Hey guys, so here's a quick update on the Camaro video thing I've been working on the last couple months, my 81Z, and we've got that LT1 engine all installed and buttoned down and hooked up and working. Runs really nice actually. I just finished putting new brake hoses on the front end and bled them out to find that my right front caliper is seized from sitting. So we're going to end up replacing both front calipers. I ordered a pair already. They should be here by the end of the week, I'm hoping. I took some Plasti Dip, guys, and I Plasti Dipped the trims around the windows. I did them kind of in a matte black. These ones were sort of oxidized aluminum, and these ones here were kind of a stainless. So I did them in a matte black. The door trims, you can see it there, the door reveal molding, and also did the front window because the front window was aluminum and it was kind of oxidizing, and I did the trim along the top of the hood. Now I'm missing the little trim. There's a little tiny piece that goes here. It's on its way. I ordered a couple from eBay. I never had those, I don't think, or I did, and they came off years ago and got lost. Got our wheels installed. Not very happy with the ride height at the front, guys. That's settled and it's way too high. It's almost looking like a gasser. I'm probably going to end up replacing those front coil springs. I did replace them years ago. I think I must have put the wrong ones in because they're much too high compared to the back of the car. I like the way the back of the car sits. I don't like the way the front of the car sits. So I'm going to either torch these and enjoy the car for now, or I'm going to pull the control arms out and replace those with a lighter, more appropriate spring. We'll figure that out when we get there. First we got to get it to roll and drive, and we can't do that until we get the front brake calipers replaced. So we're kind of on hold for now. We got our radiator overflow bottle from Amazon in. That's stainless steel. Kind of cool. It fits in well. What else do we do? We got our powder coated hood hinges installed. They really set it off. They match perfectly with the color coding of the headers. I think that's a porcelain coating that Hedman puts on there. We'll see how long it lasts. Been on there for about 10 years. I bought those 10 years ago and they're still looking good. I've actually never heated them up until this last week. What else we got going on to show you? Interior wise, we got the back seats in. Recovered them with the L seat covers. Kind of dark, I don't know if you can see that. We got the dash installed with our gauges. Turned out really nice. The carpet's in. I'm just installing the seat studs so I can put the seats in when the seat covers are finished up, and then we're going to work on the door panels. I got all the door panels there. I got a big stack of them, guys. There's about 3 cars worth of door panels, so I figure I'd be able to build something out of what I've got. The other thing we're probably going to upgrade, right now it's got the factory automatic foot activated parking brake. I think I'm going to change it to a handbrake, a hydraulic safety handbrake for the rear. With that, we're going to have to do a disc brake upgrade to the rear end because it's drum brakes right now. So we're probably going to end up buying some kind of a disc brake rear end. Maybe down the road we'll get a upgrade for the front end brakes, but for now I just bought some cheap stock calipers from Rock Auto. I think they're about 30 bucks a piece. We could get this thing on the road. Next year we're going to do some stuff to it. This year I just want to get it to where it runs and sounds good and looks good, and I can have fun with it for a couple of months before the fall hits and we get this place all cleaned up. And I'm going to be heading out of town for about 4 months this year, going somewhere warm, somewhere where there's a beach and get a suntan. And I will see you guys there when I make some videos for my new YouTube channel I'm putting together. Hit subscribe and stay tuned to find out about that. Alright, I will catch you shortly when I get some brake calipers in this and get her rolled out front. We'll start it up, we'll make some noise, and we'll see how it drives down the road. Thanks for watching.